March 19th, 2021, Asynchronous Language Arts. Today, you are responsible for the following items. First, finish your brainstorming slides from Tuesday's Pear Deck. If you navigate to slide 2 of this deck, you can see they are linked. Make sure that you click on the correct class. Finish up slides 8 through 10. Next, you need to finish writing and revising your poem in the What I Believe poem Google Doc. Both of these items, the Pear Deck and the Google Doc, can be found in Google Classroom. Simply go to Unit 2, Week 12. If you'd like to read or to watch a tutorial about how to write your poem, you can navigate to slide 3 of this deck and watch the video you find linked there. After you're done with your brainstorming and your poem, make sure that your summative assessment that was assigned Thursday is complete in Edulastic. Finally, check Infinite Campus and review your grade in Language Arts. If you have any assignments that you are missing or that you earned less than 70% on, you should take care of them today. If you have any questions or need help, please reach out to your teacher. We will be available on Teams all day Friday.